Alright, ladies and gentlemen, time for break 2 of 2019 Leaf Ultimate Baseball 4-box rip. Do you guys want to go with the left 4, right 4, top, middle, or bottom? First with the vote is where we'll go for the rip tonight. And we'll do the final 4 tomorrow. Actually, I need to bring up the group break checklist because Leaf doesn't stick the teams. Ultimate Draft, Baseball. Nope, that's not what I want. Nope, that's the sell sheet. Nope. Yeah, there we go. Left, Robert. Alright, thank you, Robert. Left it is. Alright, ladies and gents, good luck. Hopefully I'll know everybody, but probably won't. Right off the top, I don't know the top guy. So let's go ahead and find him at least. Should probably just, oh, there he is. Okay. Alright. For the Nationals, Sterling Sharp. Future Star on-card prospect auto. Sterling Sharp. Nationals. Hey, I know him. Rookie signatures on-card auto. Gavin Lux for the Los Angeles Dodgers. Gavin Lux. Blue Jays numbered 2 of 15. Alejandro Kirk. Rookie signature Blue Jays. I get a real good view on the 2 of 15. Anyway, so it's 2 of 15. Behind that, Tyler Callahan, Cincinnati Reds, rookie signatures on card autograph, Cincinnati Reds. And Brennan Malone for the Diamondbacks, rookie signature on card auto, Arizona. And Bobby Witt, Kansas City Royals Bats, numbered 5 out of 10 on card auto, Bobby Witt Jr. Royals. Actually, just the one in there that I didn't know. Right? So it looks like I'm not gonna know the guy on top again. Diamondbacks. For our Arizona Diamondbacks, Glenn Allen Hill Jr. Rookie signature on card autograph. Next up. For the Yankees, Anthony Volpe, rookie on-card signature, Yankees. For the Nationals, Jackson Rutledge, rookie on-card signature. Noah Song, rookie on-card signature, Boston Red Sox. Alek Manoah for the Blue Jays, rookie signatures on card autograph, and the last one is numbered out of 15. Corbin Carroll, Diamondbacks. It is 7 of 15. Rookie signatures. I don't know where the heck to really do this. This doesn't show up well. There, 7 of 15. I got it. Blake Walston, rookie signature. He's Diamondbacks on card autograph. Josh Wolf, rookie signature on card auto for the New York Mets. Redemption. You received a leaf of Jordan Balazovic. I don't know him. Twins, Minnesota Twins. Jordan Balazovic. Ultimate Arms autograph. Next up, Cameron Cannon for the Boston Red Sox, rookie signature autograph. Printing plate auto, 1 of 1, Gunnar Henderson. Future Stars, Baltimore. Scion printing plate, 1 of 1. Gunnar Henderson. And behind that, Riley Green, rookie signature on card auto, Detroit Tigers. Matt Cantorino. Twins. Future star on card auto for the Minnesota Twins, Matt Cantorino. Rookie signature on card auto of Will Wilson for the Angels. Actually, I need to look at Will Wilson because he might be on the other team. Miami Marlins, rookie signature, Nasim Nunez. 1 of 15. This is last year's. Bryce Terang, 1 of 15. Brewers, right? This is last year's too. Junior Severino. And Jason Dominguez, rookie signature card for the Yankees. Boom shakalaka. I don't know these two. I'm pretty sure he's Brewers. Junior Severino. Throwing in last year's stuff is throwing me off. Yeah, Bryce Terang's still Brewers, so he's Brewers. That's what I thought. Junior? I have no idea. Twins, it looks like. Yeah, Twins. Minnesota Twins for Junior Severino. And on the checklist, let's take a look at Will Wilson. Yeah, Will Wilson is San Francisco Giants on the checklist. Bring you over to show you. He is no longer Angels. He is San Francisco Giants. Because this is RSWW1. So yeah, that's right there. Will Wilson. San Francisco getting Will Wilson now instead of the Angels. Oh, that's not what we need. We need display gun. Okay, there we go. So Giants for Wilson, Twins for Junior Severino, and Brewers on Bryce Terang. Alrighty. Coming up next will be limited football. Let me get ready and set for limited football.